Delete the default cube, add a plane, scale it up and go to modeling and subdivide it up to 50 times. Enable proportional editing and edit it like a small terrain. Go to particles tab and add a particle system. Change it to hair and change the hair length to 1 meter. Enable advanced and go to physics and increase the bromine a little bit. For bending look of grass. Now change the number to 5000. Here we go, we have a basic grass setup now. Now switch to the setting tab and add a material. Change the color to dark green, only a little dark green to make it look like a real grass. Now duplicate the plane. Delete the particle system in the duplicated plane. Now go to the initial plane and enable and disable the show emitter option in the render tab of the particle system. Change it to bounce in viewport display. Okay, now we can add another material to the duplicated ground. You can add any material you want, a ground material, but for this tutorial I will go with a basic brown color, dark brown color. Okay, that looks good now. Now it's time for us to add the lightning and a object for our scene. I am gonna use the monkey for this tutorial as a object for the scene. Just I am gonna set it up and add a camera angle to it. Now you have to subdivide the monkey to make it look better. You can use the Ctrl 2 shortcut key for the subdivision. Then add a basic material to it. I will go with a red color and roughness set to 1 and metallic set to 0. And also set up your camera. I am gonna align the monkey properly to the ground. Delete the lamp and add a area light for better lighting. Bring it up and scale it up and change the power of it to something higher for a better lighting. Okay, that looks good now. You can also play with the settings of the grass for a nicer and realistic look if you want. I'm also gonna increase the grass number to make it look more natural. At last, enable ambient occlusion for better look and realistic look. I'm also gonna click the transparent so that I can add a background by myself. Now here you go, you have first created your grass. Now just go ahead and render it. Now here are the render results. It looks good though for a basic grass setup in Blender. Thanks for watching this tutorial guys. I hope you like, share and subscribe. Thank you.